Hello again everyone. This is the third tutorial in the set of 3, teaching you how to play the ukulele from absolute beginning. So we've learned how to tune it, how to hold it, how to strum it, and how to play the chords of C and F. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to play the chord of G7th, and then how to put them all together into a 3-chord sequence with which you'll be able to play a lot of tunes. So first of all, let's just recap on what we've done. We're going to play the chord of C and we're going to change it into the chord of F on the count of 8. So I'll do 8 on C, then 8 on F. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As I said in the earlier tutorials, it's most likely that you'll be fouling the strings with your fingers when you're trying to make the changes. Your head won't be as fast as you want it to be and your fingers will be even slower. But that's perfectly all right. It's what learners do, and you will learn. You'll just get the muscle memory in the fingers, and that's what will happen. So we've learnt the C and we've learnt the F. Now we're going to learn G7th. And G7th, to make G7th, you make a triangle with those 3 middle fingers, and I'll show you where you put them. The index finger you put on the 2nd string up from the bottom in the 1st space. The middle finger you put on the 3rd string from the bottom in the 2nd space, and then the ring finger you put on the bottom string in the 2nd space. So there we are. You've got that finger there, those 2 fingers there. You've got a triangle with those fingers, and if I play the note, or the chord rather, you'll hear it. You'll hear how it sounds. There we are. So now, if we put those 3 chords together, you'll have a 3-chord sequence which you'll be able to play a lot of songs with. So let's have a go. Let's do 8 beats, or count of 8 on each of the chords, and we'll change between them. Join in when you can. It doesn't matter if you don't get it right. You can play it again as often as you like until you can join in, and you'll find that you can play them all together. So here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you'll notice after you've played the F, it's actually a fairly simple job just to move that finger down 1 string and to put that one on to turn it into the G7th. So the F into the G7th is just a finger move and 1 on, and to change to the G7th into the C is ever so easy. You just slide the ring finger along to the 3rd space. We'll do it once more and then repeat this in your own time until you can play them all together. So here we go. I'll count in after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F, G7th, back to C, and again. G7th, C. That's all you need to know to be able to play lots of songs in the key of C. Now you'll need to learn other chords as well. If you get yourself a chord chart, you'll find with a chord chart you can find all the chords that you need and add them as you go. Learn them one at a time. There will be other tutorials on this site in due course, But in the meantime, for those of you who've never played before, if you can follow these 3 tutorials, you'll find that you'll be able to pick up a ukulele and you'll be able to play songs with it. Good luck.